In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Gantt chart view on Monday.com. If you're looking to visualize your project timeline effectively, creating a Gantt chart for your tasks can be a game changer. It's a fantastic way to get a clear picture of your project progress and manage your timeline effectively. So, let's dive right in and walk through the steps to set up your Gantt chart on Monday.com. First, you'll want to open a web browser and navigate to Monday.com. As we get started, let's assume you're already signed into your account. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and do so now by clicking on the Login button and entering your credentials. Once you're in, you should see your dashboard where your projects are organized. Now, take a glance at the left-hand side of your screen. You will notice a sidebar with all your available boards listed. The next step is to click on the board you wish to work with. If you have multiple boards, make sure you're selecting the right one for the project you want to view as a Gantt chart. With your board now open, draw your attention to the top of the page, where you'll see the board header. Here, you will find a plus icon, a small yet mighty tool in our process today. Click on this plus icon, and a list of options will appear. From this list, select Gantt. This is the magic button that will transform your board into a detailed project timeline using a Gantt chart view. You might have to wait a moment, but after clicking, you'll see your tasks neatly arranged in a Gantt format. This view will give you a beautiful timeline perspective of your project activities, making it much easier to manage deadlines and workloads visually. Now that your board is displayed as a Gantt chart, you can interact with it in several useful ways. Don't hesitate to move tasks around. Drag and drop them as needed to adjust your plans. Additionally, you might find it helpful to change how your timeline is viewed. Depending on your project's needs, you can switch the chart's timeline from weeks to days or even months. This flexibility allows you to zoom in for a detailed view or out for a big picture overview, depending on what your situation requires. And just like that, you're able to view and interact with your Monday.com board as a Gantt chart. You have successfully navigated through the process, optimizing your project management with the power of visual timelines. It's a handy skill that can make managing tasks more efficient by offering a clearer perspective. Congratulations on creating your first Gantt view on Monday.com. You're now equipped to keep your projects on track and your team more aligned. Keep exploring and experimenting with different views and settings to find the perfect workflow for you.